Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango pickle with ginger. First, select firm, unripe mangoes for the best texture and flavor. Gather fresh ginger, garlic, and a variety of essential spices like mustard seeds and fenugreek. Ensure you have a clean, dry, airtight jar ready for storing your delicious creation. This initial preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful pickle. Next, thoroughly wash and dry your mangoes before carefully cutting them into small, uniform pieces. Peel and finely chop the fresh ginger and garlic, as these will infuse the pickle with their aromatic notes. For an authentic taste, dry roast whole spices like mustard and fenugreek seeds, then grind them coarsely to release their full flavor. Now, combine the prepared mango, ginger, garlic, and ground spices in a large bowl. Add a generous amount of oil and a splash of vinegar or lemon juice, mixing everything thoroughly to ensure all mango pieces are fully coated. Transfer this mixture to your clean jar, seal it tightly, and place it in a sunny spot for several days to allow the flavors to meld and the pickle to cure. Once cured, refrigerate your mango ginger pickle for long-term freshness, enjoying its vibrant flavors for up to a month or more. Serve this delightful condiment with your favorite meals, adding a zesty kick to rice, curries, or flatbreads. It's a versatile addition to any plate. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.